to talk about what happened to me yesterday. Yesterday, I wanted to do some laundry. So, after everything, Mimi, come. After sorting the clothes, it was on the floor, so I decided to pack it. To bend down and pack it. The next thing I hear was pain. My waist. I thought I thought I'm not going to stand up. I'm just laughing now. Since morning. It was just few hours ago that I stood up and I'm getting myself. So immediately the stuff started paging me. Even the clothes that I wanted to wash, I couldn't wash it again. It was my husband that washed it, cooked the meal that we ate yesterday, everything. He literally did everything yesterday. So thinking out during evening the pain would stop. It didn't stop. So this morning we have to go to hospital for emergency. So we went to hospital. I explained to them how the stuff started. So after everything, they gave me injection and as well gave me tablet to take after when I get to house. So I've taken the tablet and with the injection. So everything, the pain is going down. I think I'm fine now. It's just a little pain. So that's my experience. I will attach the video when I was in the hospital. So on this video, I just picked my children from school. So I'm taking them to the barbering salon for them to cut their hair. We are going down here. Mimi, Samash. Run. So we just go down from the bus now. We are going to the salon for them to cut their hair. So after that, so we're in the salon now. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. Guys, we are done in the salon now. We are going to house now. We're waiting for boss at the bus stop. As you can see, the guys are looking very cute. Thank you for joining us today. Say hello. Hello. You have to wear a cap, okay? It's very cold here. Hello. Make dinner for the family. I'll be making fried rice. I just finished boiling the rice. I'll start to make the veggies, prepare the veggies, and just follow me. You will see the procedures I'm using. I'm just cooking sharp food. So I'm preparing our veggies and the rice is boiling. I'm cooking sharp food. I'm cooking fried rice. Is it fried rice? Should I call it fried rice? I did not do. So I was doing fast. I forgot to put my meat. Thank God. It's not late. It's not late. guys, this is okay now. I'll set it aside and wait for the rice to done. Guys, I think the rice is ready now. It's ready. But my children, I'm not going to put their own veggies, because if you put it in, it's wild, they're not going to eat the food. I don't know if it's only me. My children, they don't like veggies at all. They don't like it. So, the rice is ready. It's ready. So I'm not going to mix all the rice veggies. I'm going to mix small. The ones my husband is going to eat and my own. My children are already dished out their own because they're not going to eat it. This is for my husband. Don't come for me and say this is not how to prepare fried rice. It's just sharp food that I just cooked this night that we came back from France. So this one is for my husband. So here's the food. This is our fried rice. Fried. So tell me if I tried or I did not. Good morning, how are you doing? So in today's video, I'll be cleaning the house. All throughout the week, I've been busy, very busy. So today I'm trying to make out time to clean the house. Everywhere is very dirty, so I want to try as much as I can. My husband is already helping me to vacuum the house, so the only thing I need to do is to clean the floor and clean the toilet. The vacuum is already being done by my husband. As you can see, I spread the products here. It's just for me to start cleaning, and my husband is doing vacuum here. As you can see. And here is the product I'm using to clean the toilet. I've already finished spraying it. It's just for me to wait like 5 to 10 minutes before we start cleaning the toilet now. As you can see, there's products already here. So these are the two products I normally use. This one and this. I really like it. It's very efficacious. It works fast. So I enjoy using these two products to clean my toilets. Let's go. I'm using this foam, like I got it in AliExpress, to just mop it since I already spread the products. I just splashed myself water and the place is too small, so that's why I have to go inside and lock it so that I will fit in the queue. So it's time to clean the hair and the front of this place. So guys, my husband is still cleaning the rooms, as you can see. The third room. Still back home. My man, you want to say hello? My man don't want to say hello. So as you can see before, I've already sprayed the product, so I'm just for me to wash. Going with some water, then start. So So guys, I'm done cleaning the toilet. It's for me to clean the floor now. After it's work is finished. Tell me if I tried. It's not easy to clean 2 toilets, big house, 4 rooms with parlor, 2 toilets, and so on. I'm tired already. This is the product I'm going to be using to clean the floor, the room floor, and a little soap, liquid soap. This one. I've already did that one.
Je jure, avec une idée fixe, mais bien confiant, pas perdu. Puisque c'est comme ça, j'irai manger le pain romain moi-même. Domine, à mon projet.
So I'm going to clean my daughter's room. She's sleeping, so I'll not be making much noise so that she will not wake up. The next place is the utensil we have. Kind of stopper. I have one office. You know, I don't usually call it soup. Are you seeing this dinosaur? Dinosaur, they like dinosaur very well. So I have to decorate the room with dinosaur. And this animal cutting I bought online also. Toilets. guys, I'm done with the cleaning. It's for me to rest this and pour the water in the toilet. I'm very tired now. I'm going to end this here. Thank you for joining me.